Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group powered by eXp Realty, and today we're in Glendale, Arizona. Today we're at 4327 West Corrine Drive in Glendale, Arizona. Now before heading inside this beautiful one-story home, let's take a look at the location. We are at 51st Ave and Sweetwater at the soccer fields at ASU West. This is within quarter mile maybe of the house. Normally when we talk about locations, we talk about shopping. And yeah, there's plenty of shopping around here. You're within maybe 10, 15 minutes tops of the Costco. Walmart's within a few miles. Fry's, all your fast food places, your fine dining, all conveniently located. The airport is even within a 30-minute drive easily. However, what I want to focus on is the soccer field behind me and what's behind the photographer, which is ASU West. You are within a quarter mile of the campus, so if you got a kid or you would like to go to school here, perfectly located, very convenient. Also GCC, Glendale Community College, it's within a couple miles of here as well. And the elementary school within the city block is Sweetwater. Again, convenient location within a quarter mile. All right, we're back at the house. Let's go over the specs on this one. It's a single story, a little over 9,400 square foot lot. The home is 1,977 square feet, all on a single level, 2-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has a beautiful kitchen, very large, lots of pantry space, granite countertops. It overlooks the great room, as well as there's a family room with a fireplace. All right, I want to go over a little bit of detail on the inside. So as I mentioned, the 3 bedrooms, the 2-bath, single floor plan. However, it also has brand new flooring throughout. This was done within the last couple years. Also, baseboards upgraded to the higher baseboards. The beautiful kitchen, the fresh paint, all taken care of within the last few years, as well as the bathrooms have been remodeled. This home is ready to go. Before showing you the backyard, we got to go over a major feature on this home. It has the RV gate, poured pad in front. This can fit a full-size RV, and it even has the plug-in setup that you need for all you RV aficionados out there. All right, let's go take a look at the backyard. All right, we got 3 different sections I want to cover in the yard. We're at section 1. This is the right side of the garage where you have the RV parking. I just want to show that you have plenty of parking back here to fit a full-size RV, as well as right behind the photographer is the grass lawn. Let's go to section 2. Section 2, this is the left side of the house. You've got another piece of porch slab here, would look great if you need a shed. This is a good spot for it. Behind me, he's got raised garden beds. So for your gardeners out there, it's perfect because of how the sun rotates in the sky above this house. It'll be perfect for you gardeners out there. Let's go on to section 3. Section 3, we got a beautiful covered patio, plenty of room for you entertainers out there. And then right beside me, this darn near Olympic-size saltwater pool, great condition. It's got a little spa seating area over there. And we'd be remiss if we didn't jump into this pool because it's a nice, beautiful 85-degree day. I got my Harry Potter Slytherin socks on. I think the snakes can handle the water. So let's go ahead and check the temperature. Woo! Oh, it feels absolutely great. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, I think it's super simple for you. You can call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com. Until next time, bye.